How to delete Reels watched on Facebook. So open Facebook app. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now first of all, in order to see all the Reels you have watched, go to Reels category. From here, go to the search bar. Now just go ahead and tap on See All beside Reels that you have watched. From here, you can see all the Reels that you have watched from your Facebook account. Now, in order to delete this, just go back. Tap on your profile picture icon. Once you come here, tap on three dots. From here, go to Activity Log. Now, you'll see your Facebook activity. Tap on the drop-down button. Now, go to Posts. Now, once you tap on the drop-down button, go ahead and tap on See More. Now, you'll see videos you have watched. Tap on it. Now, over here, you will be able to see all the videos you have watched. You can also see the filter button, and you can choose categories and dates as well. Once you do so, you can simply tap on the three dots beside each and every videos you have watched, and then delete those videos individually. And then, or else, you can also tap on Clear Video Watch History in order to clear entire Reels watched history of your Facebook account. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.